susunod na programa ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Magandang umaga mga kapuso, kaibigan, kapatid at kapamilya. Welcome to CCM TV and I'm super excited today kasi isa na namang bagong araw, bagong umaga, bagong kwentuhan, bagong karanasan. And today, I am so happy because we have very special guests today. At iisa-isa ko silang tatawagin. So, please come on over, Miss Kim Chi. Hi, Kim. And of course, ang kanyang ever-loving na kapareha sa widescreen, si Henlyn. Hi, Hen. Have a seat. And, let me see. Isa sa mga guests din natin who is very popular right now sa Taqueria, si Chow Mein. Come in, Chow Mein. Hi, Chow Mein. How are you? And of course, always my very, very special, the love of my life, Bin Bin. Come on here, my son. Have a seat, Bin Bin. Have a seat. Meron kasi tayo mangyayari na youth camp in April, right? In April. And to tell us more about this wonderful event, andito kasama natin si Henlyn at saka si Kim Chi.
Yes, Tita Cristeta, meron po tayong magaganap na youth conference this April. And gusto po namin i-share na kami po ang product ng youth conference. And ng youth conference po, mas naging malalim po ang relationship namin kay God at marami po kami naging mga bagong kaibigan.
Pareho po kami ni Kim, Tita Cristeta ng experience. Kaya ini-invite ko po ang mga kabataan na sumali po sa youth conference sa April 9 to 12. Inuulit ko po sa April 9 to 12. Sa halagang 1,500 lang po. 4 days and 3 nights po yun. So, join us.
Yeah, we will definitely join you. We're really excited. So, thank you, Kim, and thank you, Hen. So, we also have another guest this morning. Siya po si Chow Mein, and he's going to tell us about the prayer encounter. Chow?
Hello po, Ate Cristita. Sa inyo lahat po dyan, baka po mayroon po kayong mga kahilingan na nais niyo pong ihiling sa Diyos na pwede po natin ipanalangin ng sabay-sabay ngayon dito sa church. Ito na po yung pagkakataon na maka-attend po kayo every Friday, 7:30 p.m. sa CCM. Madalas po akong maka-attend dito and it really answers my prayers. And it's really amazing na may mga nangyayaring pagbabago sa buhay ko. Tulad po ng sa family ko, sa sarili ko, it really changes me a lot. And it really gives me the chances to know who the Lord is really are. And it's so amazing for that.
Thank you, Chow, for sharing with us what amazing things the Lord has done for you and your family sa Friday prayer encounter. So, thank you very much. And of course, we're inviting everyone to join us every Friday, like Chow said. And today, I'm also very proud to welcome someone who's going to talk about what's going to happen on Sunday. And here's my dearest son, Bin Bin. Bin Bin, the camera's on you, anak.
Hello. I will tell about my next week po. Since Sunday po tayo, and we will like to encourage to bring yourself po. Tama po ba, Mami?
Tama na. Okay, tell them more. Tell them more. Yung prayers mo kanina.
Yung ano po, yung sa next week din po, encourage po yung, kasi po may vow daw po sa congregation. And gusto po natin lahat po tayo nandito.
Vow? Ano yan, anak?
Para po, kasi po, last week po, meron po sa couples. Tapos, last week po, meron po, this week daw po pala, meron po sa sa singles. And next week po, yun po yung program po natin. Okay po ba, Mami?
Okay, anak. That's very good. Very fine.
Mami, I have a question po.
Yes, what is it?
What's sulit, Mami?
Sulit. Sulit. Okay. Sulit is una-una going to the youth camp. Katulad ng sa amin ni Henry at saka ni Chao, ni Kimchi. And it's going to prayer encounter night every Friday. That's very sulit. And of course, it's going to Cell Sunday. Next Sunday, those are very sulit kasi, what's that? You get more than what you paid for. So, maraming salamat mga kapuso, mga kapatid, mga kapamilya for joining us today. We'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!